Failure is a privilege, yet most will never earn it. And that does sound backwards, because we're taught to fear failure, avoid it, hide from it, pretend it never happened. But failure only happens when you step into the arena, when you attempt something real, something with risk, something that can expose you. Failure requires movement. It requires action. It requires choosing uncertainty over comfort. Those who never fail aren't strong. They're protected. Protected by routine. Protected by predictability. Protected by living small enough that nothing meaningful is ever at stake. They mistake safety for intelligence. They mistake caution for wisdom. But what they're really doing is avoiding responsibility for their own potential. If you failed, it means you aimed higher than survival. You tried to build something instead of just maintaining. You tried to change instead of cope. You reached for a standard that demanded more from you than comfort ever will. Failure is the proof you left the crowd. The crowd stays busy talking, busy judging, busy wasting time, busy watching others live while they stay insulated from risk. You don't fail in the crowd. You disappear there. You can't fail at a life you never attempt to design. Most don't fail because they never try anything worth failing at. They never put themselves in a position where the outcome matters. They wait for certainty. They wait for confidence. They wait for permission. And while they wait, time makes the ultimate decision for them. Safe men don't fail. They decay slowly, quietly, out of sight. Comfort makes sure of that. There's no moment where decay announces itself. No dramatic collapse. Just years of unused ability, unspoken regret, a quiet awareness that something was left on the table. Failure, on the other hand, is loud enough to teach you. It shows you where you're weak, where you're undisciplined, where your systems break under pressure. That information is valuable. Most men never get it. Failure isn't the opposite of success. Stagnation is. Overthinking is. Not moving. Failure means you're still in motion, still adjusting, still refining, still alive in the work. If you've failed, good. It means you entered the arena. It means you accepted risk. It means you chose growth over preservation. From here, you adjust, learn, continue, and that privilege was earned.